Welcome, today in front of me CUBOT R19, and I'll show you how to switch off the phone. In order to turn off the phone, you need to press the power key button here on the right side of your device for a few seconds. And as can you see here, we got the power off icon. Just tap there once and just confirm by tap to OK to shut down your device. And wait a couple of seconds and until the device display will just the dark one, so that means now that the device is turned off. So that's how it looks, and if you found this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.